Alright, boys. We got the now Trinidad. Almost over. A few more days. They want this amount. 15 bucks. So not the... Oh, look at that, boys. Look at that. Gorgeous. Let's go check out the Trinidad. One boat here that I remember called the Imagine, the Rhode Island. Remember that, guys? So it is open. I think Tuesday will be the final day. Look at that, the Imagine. And then here's one green. Can't get over that water there. Good wind. Green Cove, Cove Springs, yeah. No, hey there. So we got, yeah, where's that? FJ and Abe? Any idea? It's a new one though. So I remember last year I tried to get on this thing. They wouldn't let me on because I thought it was free, but it's not. In fact, they got the little table over there set up so you can't even go past the rope. But all right, yeah, playing UVA today, Scott Stadium. Yeah. Not everybody's friendly. She was like, the F is that? The F was that Carney guy talking about? Oh man. That is, yeah, never seen it before. The Tallulah. Weeping Waters. Pretty nice, and then we'll see if there's anything, little flowers on the, something to touch. So St. Augustine, it looks familiar. Got little flowers on the table. That's awesome. Alright. I'm gonna do a separate video for the biggie. I'll put it in higher resolution.